Huh? Oh, yo, they upgraded this. The first iteration of the Vorsteiner front lip, or the Vorsteiner kits for the Tesla, it's like this rubbery decal, but this is like a metal one. This is nice. So we got the front lip, we got the side skirt, we got the car. Tesla Model 3, you guys have seen this exact one many times in the vlogs before. Today, we're gonna be installing the Vorsteiner Volta front lip spoiler as well as the side skirts for this Model 3.
It's new.
What do you mean it's new?
It's new, it's nicer.
This is the reason why there are kits that cost as much as Volta, is because of things and details like this. Like, you don't get to see. You have to get it, hold it, and see it and be like, yo, this is nice.
Nice.
And like, you see why. Like, look at these holes. Like, they're drilled out, perfectly cut out holes. Carbon fiber weaving is great. Clear coat is great. You know, it's not a shell. Some of the carbon fiber stuff out there that are super cheap, and you're wondering why it's so cheap when this is like, you know, $7,000 or whatever. Well, it's because some of those are just shells, meaning it's not even like a full solid piece. It's just like it's a covering, so it's super thin. Like, this is solid carbon fiber all the way through. Just levels to this, guys. But if you guys want to see what's out there available for the Model 3, I made a video for that. Check it out either the top or the description down below. But in my opinion, the Volta kit is the most premium fitting, feeling, and looking kit that's out there right now. Last time you saw this car in, we installed Tint coilovers on this, and it was great. We slammed it, but because it's so low, if we were to install side skirts on this thing, it's just gonna scrape. So we're gonna raise it up a little bit, and that way we'll hopefully get the similar ride height that we had before, but this time with side skirts.
Bam!
Underglow light?
Underglow.
Inside of the Volta kit area?
Underglow is gonna run along the side skirt and on the front and on the rear diffuser.
Oh, look at that. I like how the light, it kind of hits the front bumper.
You want to music or do you want to live?
We don't have, oh, do to music. Two years ago, we received one of the first Volta kits ever released, and since then, we've seen and installed enough to realize that as the years have gone on, the kit itself has improved. The kit was good back then, but now everything is refined. The finish is glossier, the fitment is better, the molds are more consistent, and even the little Vorsteiner badge is upgraded. I'm glad to see all this because it's not a cheap kit by any means. It's one of the most expensive kits out there for the 3 before entering into painting and cutting territory. With that being said, we still haven't seen a kit out there that's comparable to the Volta. Either you're paying a lot more for body panel replacement parts, or you're paying a lot less and getting a lot less. Even to the point I sometimes tell clients to just save up and get something cheap in the meantime. The Volta kit is the best in its class and still is even to this day. Alright guys, that is it for the vlog. Hopefully you like that Volta kit. Definitely impressed. It's been out for 2 years and they're still making improvements to the kit, so it just shows you how committed Vorsteiner is to the products. But if you want to learn more about that, we have a bunch of videos on our channel. If you want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. We will see you next time.